Hi, and welcome to the Better Blinds How-To Video Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to retrofit an Acmator swivel chain to a spring assist. So what we need to do is we need to take this end cap off here. So there's just a screw inside there that we take off. So just unscrew that, and then that end cap will fall off, like so. Then grab your your spring assist, place it in, twist it into the slot, and then screw it in place. And it's as simple as that. Please see the how to retrofit a spring assist regarding which way you actually turn your guide to put tension on the spring. That all depends on whether it's a front roll, back roll, left or right chain. So please see that video and it will explain which way you do need to turn your chain drive to put tension on it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it helps. Have a great day.